This is the worst news I've ever heard. Please be aware of this message. Your mobile phone is always with you, but did you know it's also home to millions of microorganisms? Some of them can be harmful. In this video, let's uncover what's really lurking on your screen and how to stay safe. Hey everyone, it's Nifty Neoj here. We all know that mobile phones are essential to our daily lives. But did you know they could also be home to some dangerous microorganisms? During my research, I uncovered some shocking facts about how our phones can harbor harmful bacteria and germs. In today's video, I'm going to dive into what's lurking on your device and why it's more important than ever to keep your phone clean. Stick around to learn how you can protect yourself from these unseen dangers. Studies have found that all our mobile phones can carry 10 times more bacteria than a toilet seat. Here's why. 1. Constant handling. We touch our phones hundreds of times per day, transferring bacteria from our hands, face, and other surfaces. And like toilet seats, which are often cleaned regularly, most people rarely disinfect their phones. 2. Warmth and moisture encourage bacterial growth. Phones generate heat, creating a warm environment where bacteria thrive. Holding a phone to your face adds oil, sweat, and moisture, which can help bacteria multiply. 3. Exposure to different surfaces. People place their phones on various public surfaces, tables, kitchen counters, bathroom sinks, gym equipment, etc., picking up germs. Many use their phones while eating, transferring food particles and bacteria. 4. Lack of regular cleaning. Toilet seats are frequently cleaned with disinfectants, but most people never sanitize their phones. A study found that only 10% of people clean their phones regularly. How to keep your phone clean. Wipe it daily with alcohol-based wipes or a microfiber cloth with disinfectant. Wash your hands frequently, especially before and after using your phone. Avoid using your phone in the bathroom, as flushing can release bacteria into the air. Since we use our phones constantly, they can act as germ carriers, making regular cleaning essential for hygiene. Having a bacteria-covered phone can cause several health issues, especially if hygiene practices are neglected. Here's how. 1. Increased risk of illness. Phones can harbor bacteria like E. coli, Staphylococcus aureus, and Streptococcus, which can cause food poisoning, skin infections, and respiratory infections. If you touch your phone and then your face, bacteria can enter your mouth, nose, or eyes, leading to illness. 2. Skin problems, acne, and infections. Dirty phones can transfer all dirt and bacteria to your face, clogging pores and causing acne or skin infections. Sharing phones can also spread bacteria between users. 3. Food contamination. Using your phone while eating can transfer bacteria to your hands and food, increasing the risk of digestive issues. A study found that 1 in 6 phones is contaminated with fecal bacteria, often from improper hand washing. 4. Worsening of allergies or respiratory issues. Phones can collect dust, mold, and allergens, which can trigger allergies or worsen asthma when inhaled. How to prevent these issues? Clean your phone daily with disinfecting wipes or a microfiber cloth with alcohol. Wash your hands regularly, especially before eating or touching your face. Avoid using your phone in the bathroom to reduce bacterial exposure. Use a hands-free device or clean your screen often to prevent skin contact. While not everyone gets sick from their phone, reducing bacteria buildup can lower the risk of infections and keep you healthier.